Hello, the topic today is advanced accounting for service or automated accounting for service. And so with the launch of our online ordering with our service, we also have an advanced accounting capabilities for administrators and accountants who use the Autodeals accounting. So the first thing that the administrators and the accountants will notice is that under the service order area, you have a new option called Analyze. And this Analyze option works much like the Deal Analyze, where it provides for you information about the deal, how much money's been collected, and anything that you need to look at that might be of concern. And it also gives you the transactions that are currently configured that will be performed as part of completing the order. So that's a new function called Analyze for Service. In addition to this, we have new capabilities for what can be automatically processed when a service order has been completed. So if I jump over to this other tab, and I'm under the Edit General Ledger Settings, and we have a new option here called Service, and underneath here we can add new specific accounting transactions that will be automatically performed when a service order is completed. So if I just click the little green plus, and you will see we have a choice of specific line items, all the different taxes that may occur, the labor or part costs and sales are included here, as well as other things like trade-in and other types of merchant costs. So those can all be individually managed and processed, and you choose whether they're a deposit or an expense, what the method is, as well as what debit and credit accounts that would be assigned to this transaction. And then when that service order is completed, it will automatically process those transactions for you. So it's definitely an advancement in accounting capabilities and automating what can occur with service, and this all tied to the new ordering system, online ordering. It's very powerful, and if you'd like a demonstration of it or like to speak more about it, please don't hesitate to open a help desk request or open a request on our webpage for accounting demo. Thank you so much.